Salesforce Space Station.
Hi everyone, this video is regarding on creating global value sets in Salesforce. So global value sets in Salesforce uses global picklist values to share values across objects and custom picklist fields. This will restrict the picklist to only show the values that you specify. So I have a demo board here for you to go and create a global value set. Just go to setup, and then on the quick find, type in picklist value sets. Then in here, just click on new. So for an example, we're going to do markets, and let's set the value to this picklist value selections. So so I'm just randomly typing in cities or places. So I think that's good selections for our markets. You can set it to display alphabetically, not in order that I entered here. Then I won't have it any, like a default value. And I'm going to click on save. Now on the object manager, after you do your global value set, let's go to an account object, and then we're going to create a picklist value of markets. So as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be available for picklist fields. So market, I use this one. I'll be able to see the same picklist values for the markets that I created earlier. Just click on next. Let's just set it to visible for all and for all layouts. Right. So now when we go to an account, just go here, look at details. Then you will see markets here. When I go to the picklist values, you will see that the values I specified earlier on the global value sets are here. Austin, Dallas, up to Tokyo. So it's alphabetically ordered currently, but you can reorder that if you want. So now, just to make it more interesting, let's go to an opportunity object. I'm gonna do the same thing. So opportunity, create a market picklist, picklist field. So say markets again. Then I'll be using the global value set, which is markets. Next, adding it to all of my page layouts for now. Then now when we go to a particular opportunity, you should see markets with the same value set. So markets are here, and you will see the same selection. So Austin, Dallas to Tokyo. So there you have it. That's how you create global value sets in Salesforce. I hope this helps. Thanks.
Salesforce Space Station.